Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a concrete planter. This video today is a collaboration with my friend Cami from the blog Tidbits. She is a great friend of mine. We've actually had the opportunity to meet more than once. Last September, my husband and I had the opportunity to go just by ourselves. I was pregnant with Micah, but I didn't have the other kids, to Yellowstone National Park, and we actually flew into Utah. So she had me over for dinner and I got to meet her sweet family. She is one of the most creative women that I know, very inspirational. She always has such great ideas. She even wrote a book. So definitely head over to her channel and check her out after you watch my tutorial. She's going to show you how to make some garden markers, and I am doing a concrete planter, so the two things go together. Actually, I'm going to have to go watch her tutorial too so I can learn how to make them to add them here to my concrete planter, because I bet they will look so pretty together. Without further ado, I'm going to have Cami introduce herself to you guys.
Hello everybody, it's Cami from the blog Tidbits at tidbits-cami.com. After you're done watching Lisa's video, I hope you'll head over to watch my video. I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little plant markers to label and identify the plants in your garden. Or in my case, we've done some container herb gardens on our little back patio. In fact, I've got another video for you sharing tips for successful container herb gardening. You'll also find many other home decor and DIY projects on my channel. I hope you'll join me and my crew along for more inspiration for do-it-yourself living.
All right, so this is the concrete planter that I made. We're kind of in this concrete obsession. I made the bowl a few weeks ago here on the channel, and I just love the way it turned out. It looked so pretty up on our shelf, and I decided that I wanted to make a planter. So it was a lot of the same process, but I wanted it to be a long rectangle so that it could sit here next to the window as an herb garden, or maybe on the windowsill. I really like it here in our farmhouse mudroom area. This is kind of the little command center. We keep shoes and tote bags, things like that. So this is by our back door. And I just think it looks so pretty up here. So let me show you how we made it. We decided the best thing to do would be to make the molds from cardboard. So we wanted an inch all around of thickness for the concrete. So we made the big box 13 inches long by 6 inches wide and 4 inches tall. And then we made the inside box 11 inches long by 4 inches wide by 3 inches tall. And my husband decided to line the inside of the big box and the outside of the small box with tape so that the concrete wouldn't stick to it. And later when we actually pulled it off, we noticed that some cardboard in spots that didn't have tape did stick a little bit, so this proved to be a pretty good idea. We mixed up the concrete to about a consistency a little thicker than pancake batter, and then just started filling the large box. After we fit the small box in, we still had to go around and then fit a little bit more around it until it was full. We used a weight to keep the small box submerged while it was drying. We used clamps so that the cardboard wouldn't bow out, and then we smoothed out the top with a spoon. After 24 hours, we cut the boxes off to remove the cardboard from the molds, and then I planted it with some fresh mint. All right, guys, what do you think? My husband is thinking about drilling some drain holes in the bottom so this can be long-term planter. For now, I think I can probably only keep this mint in here for so long without the holes. I think it makes really pretty decoration and I just love the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below, did any of you guys try making the concrete bowl or have you ever made anything with concrete? I'd love to hear about it. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Also, if you aren't a member yet of my subscriber library, I'm gonna leave a link below for you to check that out. I leave all of my free printables and ebooks as I add to them and create them in one place that email subscribers have access to with a password. So I'll leave a link for that below so that if you aren't on it, you can get in there. Thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.